2019, paper 3, question 5. Write the missing digits to make this addition correct. I have a 3-digit number here, and I know the value of my tens. I've got 2 tens. I've got a 2-digit number here, and I know the value of my ones. I've got 2 ones. And if I add them together, I get 200. Pause the video, work it out yourself, and then come back to me, unpause, and we'll work it out together. An easy way that I can work this out is if I write this out using the column method. So if I write out my 3-digit number here, plus my 2-digit number here, and I know my answer is going to be 200. So let's look at the ones column first. I know that something plus 2 gives me, do you think it's 0 or do you think it's something else? Let's have a look. Something plus 2 gives me 0. Well, not really, no, because I know that 0 plus 2 gives me 2. I know that 1 plus 2 gives me 3. So we're going to have to do something to this 0 to give it a different value. And what I can do is if I put a 1 down here, that means I now have 10. So it's going to be something plus 2 is 10. And yes, you're correct. It is going to be 8. 8 plus 2 gives me 10. Now let's have a look at the tens and don't forget the 110 here. 2 tens plus 110 gives me something where my answer ends in 0. So 3 tens, okay, 2 and 1, plus something gives me, is it going to be 0? It's not going to be 0. We're going to have to put a 1 digit here so we can make it into a 10. So 3 plus something is equals 10. It's going to be 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. So if I put my 7 up here and just check. 2 tens plus 1 10 is 3 tens. 3 tens plus 7 tens is giving me 10 tens. So let's look at our hundreds column. Something plus 1 added together is going to give me 2. So what plus 1 will give me 2? 1. Let's check. 1 and my other 1, so I have 2 ones, gives me 2. So I don't need to put anything there. There's nothing there. And my 1 goes there. Let's check our answer. 8 plus 2 gives me 10. 7 plus 2 plus 1 gives me 10. And 1 plus 1 gives me 2. So what I'm going to put here is 128 plus 72 equals 200. And for this, you get 1 mark.